lost tracker, chrome in the sun. Shoulder bar clicks, I'm already done. Palm trees blur, sweat on my hands. Hear that whine like a loaded rubber band. Oh yeah! Heart in my throat, breathe getting thin. I look at the sky, say, do it again. It blasts from 0 to 82 in just 2.3 seconds straight through. One deep breath and the world turns blue. One of the most intense launches in the world. Yeah, it's pulling the ground from you. Good luck, my dear. Hey!